Hello guys, welcome to another episode of HTML with Screen Readers by VI Tech Academy. In this episode, we will learn how to create drop-down menu or combo box in your web page. If you need more tutorials on HTML with Screen Readers, please like this video and share this video with others so that we will inspire to create more videos on HTML. If you did not watch our previous episodes of HTML, you can visit our HTML playlist from the playlist section of our YouTube channel. To create the drop-down menu, first you need to choose what are the options you want to give and what is your menu name.
Form.
Here I have one small HTML form where I have a field called language. In this field, user will select their own preferred language. To create the combo box or drop-down menu, I need to use two things: select tag and then option tag. These are two elements which are required to create combo box and drop-down. Let's see how it works. First, I have given a label called select your language or preferred language. See, this is the label.
Less label for equals lang greater preferred language less slash label greater.
So the label name is preferred language. Next, I have started the select element and I use that ID which you already learned in our forms chapter, previous chapters. So see.
Less select less SELECT
Select
space ID equal quote LANG quote space NAME equal quote LANGUAGE quote space REQUIRED greater carriage return.
Okay, so language we used. Okay, we used required attribute for required. So without filling this field, you cannot move further. So within this less select greater less slash select greater, you have to choose the options. Friends, you have remembered that many combo box, you have seen that first option is like select your language, which you cannot actually select. That option is disabled by default. So we have given this option, these things also. So for that we use disabled attribute. That I'll show you a little bit later. Before that, I'm just go down to times.
Less option value less option did less.
So now we need to create the option. To create the option, we use less option greater and the value attribute. So see, this is the code.
Less OPTION space VALUE equals
Option, then value equals. What is your value? Remember, if you use PHP or any other backend language, when your form is submitted, whatever text you have written within this value will be submitted.
quote ENGLISH quote greater.
English, then greater, then you have to enter the label for this language.
ENGLISH less slash OPTION greater.
Remember that label which we have created earlier using less label greater, that is for the field label. Now we are using the label, we are creating the label for the options itself. If you type Bengali or any other thing within the options value and give the label English, so it will be mismatch. Even if your user will select English, then still you can get the Bengali input or Bengali is recorded in your database. So be very careful, whatever you type within the option value, value attribute, this will be your actual data. So next option again I have created.
Less option value equals Bengali greater Bengali less slash option greater.
Next option I have created.
Less option value equals Hindi greater Hindi less slash option greater.
And then I'll close this select tag.
Less slash select greater.
So this is how I can create a simple drop-down menu or editable or combo box. Not editable, but it's a combo box. Okay. Now I have told you that disabled option is there, so just you need to use disabled attribute. I'm just going to top.
Less option value equal less option disabled selected greater. Please select your language less slash option greater.
So first option, just check, see.
Less OPTION space
Option, then I use two attributes. One is disabled.
DISABLED space.
So this option will be disabled, and then I use selected, which means by default this option is selected.
SELECTED greater. P-L-E-A. Select, please select your language.
So this is also looking like an option, but it can't be selected as it is a disabled, and by default your focus will be on this option. So this is how you can create the combo box. Now let me show you how it looks. I have opened this page and now I'm just pressing tab.
Phone number, select your gender group, date of birth, date of year, date of show, mailing address, preferred language, combo box, please select your language, collapse required.
Okay, so now I'm pressing down arrow up arrow.
English, Bengali, Bengal, Hindi,
Okay, English, Bengali, Hindi. So whichever I want I can select,
Bengali,
and then I move further.
four,
This is how you can easily create drop down menu or combo box using HTML. If you enjoyed this content, like the video, share the video with others, and hit the subscribe button to get more useful videos with screen readers in English. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next episode soon. Till then, bye bye.